Yo, what's up guys? This is Luis here. So right now I'm heading to 7 Days Mufflers. It's in Santa Ana. So yeah, so today is the day where I get my exhaust. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna have the catback exhaust installed first. Later on, like in a month, I'm gonna be buying a downpipe for my car, so it can sound a lot louder. But for now, I'm just gonna get the catback exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead right now, start putting the camera in the back of the car, just to so you guys can hear how the exhaust sounds in stock. Onto the video.
A few moments later.
Alright, just a quick break here. So the place that I went to, 7 Days Mufflers, before I started recording, I obviously asked for permission if I could record in there. So just bringing that out there. And yeah, so I got their consent and they were cool with it. So alright, let's roll. Check out my resonator. That thing is huge. Alright, which one should I pick? Should I pick this one? As for my tips. I got another one too. Or should I go for this?
Oh man, it's hard to chew. This looks great too. I'll think about it.
Spoiler alert. I did not mention which exhaust tips I picked. I actually ended up picking the chrome. Just putting it out there. Alright. Sorry. Continue on.
So there's my resonator right there from MagnaFlow. And then there's the cat. And as you can see over there, there's my turbo. Let's see if I can focus. There it is. There she is. A little cutie. Wow. This actually came out pretty good. Really, really fucking awesome.
What do you think?
It's awesome, man.
Wow. Wow. Good job, guys. Thank you. Alright, so what I end up getting is a custom catback exhaust. As you saw in the video, they're the ones that provided the 2.5-inch piping. And I also requested that I wanted a MagnaFlow Resonator. And they did have one, universal. I think the part number is 10416. I'll show a picture of it right here on the front of your screen. So that's the most similar photo that I could find on online. So yeah, so as you guys heard, it sounds awesome. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's another one coming up, maybe tomorrow, or I don't know, but the other video that I'm going to be uploading is going to be about you know, going on the street, just so you guys can hear how the exhaust sounds. while it's going, while the car's going. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope you liked this video. If you liked it, obviously hit the like button, share it with your other friends, you know, share it if someone needs an exhaust, or they have a similar car like mine. It could be a GLI, it could be a regular Jetta, but if they want to get the same exhaust like I did, share this video, you know, help them pump up, you know, and get their exhaust the way I did it. So alright guys, thank you so much. We'll see you next time.